These 5 layer 2 blockchains are ripe for airdrop and the potential is huge. The first is zksync, a zero knowledge rollup, which means that it uses cryptography to verify transactions without having to publish all the transaction data on the Ethereum mainnet. This makes zksync much scalable and efficient than traditional Ethereum transaction. The zksync team has said that they plan to airdrop tokens to early users of the network. So to maximize your chances here, you might want to consider adding zksync network to your wallets. You can also bridge zksync using Orbiter and also provide liquidity in the network. Now, if you don't know how to do all this, don't worry, I'll give you a link to our practical classes at the end of this video. Number 2 is Polygon zkEVM. It's another promising layer 2 project, also a zero knowledge rollup that is compatible with Ethereum virtual machines. This means that any dApp that is currently running on Ethereum can be ported to Polygon zkEVM with minimal changes. The team also said that they're considering an airdrop to early adopters of the network. And to maximize the chances to get the airdrop, consider adding Polygon zkEVM to your wallet. Also bridge your fund to Polygon zkEVM using Orbiter Finance and do some swapping using Quick Swap. Number 3 is Scroll. It is also a zkEVM based rollup that is specifically designed for DeFi application. It offers high throughput, low fee, and EVM compatibility. Scroll is still in its early stages, but it has potential to be a major player in the DeFi space. To get on board, start by adding Scroll Alpha Testnet to your Web3 wallet. Then claim Scroll Alpha Testnet token and learn to Aave bridge to Scroll with their native hop fork bridge and swap tokens on Uniswap. If you are enjoying this so far, then a sub to this channel will make sure you don't miss any of the important information in the cryptocurrency industry. Number 3 is Base. It is also a layer 2 project from the Coinbase team built on the open source OP stack. It will likely serve as a hub for various Coinbase proprietary dApps and is intended to serve as an onboarding nexus into Web3 for the exchange's 110 million verified users. As a layer 2, Base will inherit Ethereum security while providing users with faster transaction speed and lower transaction costs. Coinbase has said that they are not currently planning on an airdrop for the Base token. However, if they do decide to do an airdrop in the future, it could be a very valuable one. To position yourself in case this happens, add Base testnet to your wallet and bridge fund between Base and other testnets using Wormhole. Number 5 is anticipated to be the biggest airdrop. But before I get there, if you need practical knowledge on how to take part in these airdrops, then join Uche, I, and Michael 3 times a week on Telegram, where we do the practical classes. The link is in the description. Also, if you want to learn how to trade cryptocurrencies profitably and receive free signals, join our Telegram group as well after you must have created a BYBIT account using the link in the description. At number 5, we have Starknet, a permissionless, decentralized validity rollup. It operates as a layer 2 network over Ethereum, enabling any dApp to achieve unlimited scale for its computation without compromising Ethereum composability and security. Now, smart contracts on Ethereum and the majority of L2s are written in Solidity, but Starknet uses Cairo, a Turing complete programming language designed for the stack proof. Starknet team has said that they plan to airdrop tokens to early users of their network. To maximize their chances, consider downloading a Starknet compatibility wallet like ArgentX, bridging to Starknet with Stargate, and swapping tokens with Jetty Swap. I also talked about Starknet on the video I made on 3 time sensitive airdrop you don't want to miss. To watch that video, just click here.